Hey guys, what's up? Happy New Year! I cannot believe the world is still like this, but nonetheless, Happy New Year to you guys. 2020 was just such a tough year for people, and I just really want to start off the year by doing this video specifically where I pay for people behind me all day today. So every time I go through a drive-thru, I will be going through a lot of drive-thrus. I usually don't go through this many drive-thrus as you will see in the video, but I'm gonna go through as many drive-thrus as I can so I can just pay for everybody behind me and make sure that, you know, their 2021 starts off on a good note, and I'm just really happy that I can do that. And also, I want to give back to you guys, obviously, for supporting me, and we are so close to 10,000 subscribers, so I will be giving away 3 Amazon gift cards in this video, so stay tuned so you learn how to win that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So as you guys can see, I am actually outside of a Starbucks right now, but this location is closed. I think somebody might have had the virus in here because yesterday when I came for New Year's Eve, I saw people working. The lights were on, people were working, but it looked like they were cleaning inside. The drive-thru was closed, and then there's a note on the door that just says temporarily closed, but it doesn't say why or anything. It just says go to the other closest locations. Those ones don't have a drive-thru, which is why I came specifically to this location. I've been planning to do this specific video for 3 weeks, and I've just been telling my boyfriend about it, and I've been so excited to do it. It is January 1st, 11:25 in the morning. I just want to pass along the happiness to as many people as I can today. So that's what we're gonna do. And like I said, you guys will also be able to win 3 Amazon gift cards. I chose Amazon because you guys can buy whatever you want on Amazon and it's easier like that. So yeah, that's that. Let's see where we end up. Let's go. I'm at a different Starbucks right now. This one does not have a drive-thru. What I'm thinking of doing is buying a $30 gift card and then just seeing if the employee will just keep using it for the people behind me in the actual store. Let's see if this works. Grande iced white mocha with sweet cream foam and caramel drizzle, please. I have a favorite. Can I also buy a $30 gift card, and can you just use it for everybody that comes in after and just pay for it like that? Yeah. Can you do that? Okay. No problem. I hope you have a good year. Thank you. Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye. 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 Take care. There was a lady with her child after me, and so I just bought the gift card, and she's just gonna keep using it until it's done. But she thanked me, and she just looked so appreciative, and she looked like she also wanted to give me a hug. Obviously with Rona, no hugs, and it made me feel so good. But I got my favorite drink. I usually don't like walking in just because I don't want people to come up and thank me, but she was very appreciative, so I'm really happy that I got to see someone's reaction. Honestly, it felt really good that I could like see who I was buying for, and I'm glad that I could help her out with her little child, especially people with kids now. Like, you never know what's going on. I think I'm gonna go to Tim Hortons next. Hi, can I just get a vanilla dip donut, please?
Okay.
That's everything.
125, that's it.
Thank you. Hi, Happy New Year. Perfect. On debit. Thank you. And then can I also just pay for the car behind me?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you.
185.
Thank you so much. Happy New Year. Are they following me? Oh, they are following me.
Thank you so
Bye,
much.
no problem. Happy New Year. Take care, guys. So they followed me. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. It's really sweet that they followed me and they thanked me. I feel very blessed that I'm able to do this. I want to show you guys a vanilla dip donut. So this is a vanilla dip donut. I have not eaten breakfast yet, and it is noon, but yeah, they're really good. It's just basically vanilla icing with a shit ton of sprinkles. This is absolutely not healthy. We're gonna eat this. I'm gonna go with my boyfriend.
Guess who's here? Happy New Year!
We're going now to McDonald's.
McDonald's.
And we're going to like a little bit of a rougher neighborhood in the area. So that was his idea, which was a pretty good idea actually. So we're just gonna go to this McDonald's and pay for people behind us. What do you want?
McChicken meal.
Hey.
Have a Happy New Year, first of all.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
The total will be 1060.
Perfect. On debit, please. Can I actually just pay for the order behind me when they're done ordering?
Sure.
Okay, yeah, just let them finish though. Thank you.
970.
Okay, perfect. On debit too, please. Perfect, thank you.
I love how happy this makes you.
Right. I don't know, it just feels good.
It's so nice of you, honestly. I love how you always do this. And how happy this makes you. Ah, my beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for doing this for people.
Guys, he wanted to come and he's like, I'll film, I'll record.
Guys, don't be fighting today. The way that you spent today, the way that the rest of the year is gonna go.
And yesterday. Cake pop, cake pop, cake pop. Oh, she has a cute dog.
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. My name is Annie. What are you serve for you today?
Hi there, can I just grab a birthday cake pop, please?
Yeah, just one.
Yes, please. I don't know if everybody gives their dogs cappuccinos.
Well, this lady's about to get a free one, so.
A few moments later.
Oh my gosh, she's still not done ordering. It's my turn, lady. What
do you think? I made out money?
Hi, Happy New Year. Thank you. Perfect. Can I pay for the car behind me?
They have like 4 items.
That's fine.
How much are they? 2068.
Okay, that's perfect. And she's probably gonna give it to like people in her family, which is good. And then she'll go home and be like, guess what happened?
Somebody paid for this.
Oh shit, we forgot the puppuccino. Where's my cake pop?
Sorry. I'm terrible. I'm a terrible co-host. She distracted me with
He said, I'm only coming for the food.
Very true.
Will you eat chicken nuggets or no? You're full? Or do you want a cheeseburger?
No.
Hi, can I get a 6-piece chicken nugget combo, please? That's everything. Oh, and a cheeseburger with no pickles, please. Happy New Year. Can I also actually just pay for the people behind me?
10 nuggets and a medium fry.
Perfect.
Yeah, okay. 750.
Thank you. I'm gonna eat. Time lapse this really quickly, and then I will tell you guys how you can win. How you can win one of 3 Amazon gift cards. We've decided to be entered into today's giveaway to win one of 3 $25 Amazon gift cards. So if you're in the States, it'll be a US gift card. In Canada, a Canadian one. Wherever you're from, it'll be in your currency where you live. You gotta comment down below something you are grateful for or thankful for that happened last year. So although 2020 was definitely not what people expected, a lot of people went through hard times, you know, with everything that happened. I just want you guys to really think about something that happened to you that made you happy, that made you smile, that made you grateful, even for a second if it crossed your mind or whatever happened. I'm thankful that nobody that I knew got COVID. Everybody is safe. His family also. I'm really happy nobody that is close to me and family caught it. I also forgot to mention this in the last clip though. To enter the giveaway, you also have to be subscribed and like the video. It doesn't have to be like
materialistic.
Yeah.
For example, for me last year was very tough. Many times I got down, and then, you know, I'm thankful for you because you were able to bring me up multiple times and snap me out of pure nonsense, you know.
And I'm thankful for you too, always. So yeah, that's what you guys have to do. Just
Stop your makeup.
we're gonna take a little break right now from going around and buying everybody's food. We're gonna chill, and then we will come back out and pay for everybody.
And you don't have to get all like crazy about like, oh my god, but you know, like what I'm thankful for is not like the, what's it called, the biggest thing in the world. This is not good, this is not. Nah, just put in what you're thankful for, and then it's all gonna be randomly chosen. So the fact that you're
it's not gonna be like whoever has the best thing to be grateful for. Honestly, absolutely anything, you will be entered. It's not a competition to see whose 2020 was better than the other person.
The fact that you say that you thought about something that you're thankful for, and you took the time to write it down in the comments and put it out there, you're already in.
Yeah, that's it.
And if you're capable of just passing it forward, like, that's the biggest thing that I took away from today. You know, it could be as small as like 10, not even $6, buy somebody a coffee. But it's a great way to start your year, you know what I mean? And a great way to make somebody's day.
So pay it forward if you can. $1, $2 will definitely make somebody's day. And
it'll make your day.
if you can't afford it money-wise, just be nice to people. Always say please, thank you. Bye! Alright guys, so it is now 3 o'clock. We went home, relaxed, played Fortnite, and we are out. We're gonna do 2 more places, so we're stopping at McDonald's right now, waiting for someone to come behind us, and then Tim Hortons. Hi, can I get a medium French vanilla, please? We're at the Tim Hortons drive-thru because there was nobody at the McDonald's one, so we looped around and we are now at Tim Hortons. So I think, honestly, I think Tim Hortons is gonna be the last one. I think this is gonna be the one for today.
I can't believe nobody wants a free McDonald's.
It's lunchtime. Don't you want to feed your families?
Yeah,
It's
but
on me.
leftovers from last night.
Oh, true. Thank you. On debit, please. And can I also just pay for the person behind me? Thank you.
Ask for a sleeve. This thing is hot.
Thank you. And then a sleeve also, please, just for the coffee. Thank you. Yay!
That's sweet of you. Imagine somebody's having a shit day and it's like, okay, I'm gonna go out. And then the thing is like,
that's the whole point of this, to
everything is gonna be okay.
Hey, yeah,
for a medium Coke.
You want a Coke medium? We're gonna go to the convenience store and get a Coke.
Okay, what do you want to get from here?
Hi, can I get a hot fudge sundae? Hi, debit, please. When they're done ordering, can I just pay for their food?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Ooh, a small double with milk.
Oh, the pickup truck is looking for you.
Happy New Year!
Bye. That's so nice of you.
Damn, these people ordering the whole menu behind us.
Their total was 24 to 30.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Go, go, go.
They're yelling at you.
Bye! Mission accomplished. We paid for a family's lunch. That's it, guys.
Damn, the other people were like looking for you.
The truck people?
And the lady's like, happy.
Right?
Bang, 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 bang.
I hope all of you guys watching this, I hope I could brighten your days up too. You know, give back to people. A simple please, thank you. Pay for the person behind you if you can. If you can't,
Start off the year right.
be kind. Be thankful for what you have. Some people have it worse. You never know what people are going through. So it's good to make them happy. And I'm really happy. I'm having a great day because everybody's going to have a great day. And I have ice cream and we're going to get your sister's Doritos. Don't worry, I did not forget about her.
She would have killed us.
We are ending the day by giving his sister Doritos.
She's the last one in the video. If you're watching this, be thankful for what you got. Alright? Start out the year right. And next time you buy chips, don't forget to share.
Talking to your sister or
Yes.
the viewers?
She always locks them out.
I hope you guys have a great start off to year 2021, and I hope you guys are all healthy and happy and have an amazing year, and hopefully it's not like 2020. Yeah. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed to this video, a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.